a shark. This one's a hardy colour shark. Colour shark. So maybe shark's teeth is just tickling. That's why I like it, because it's really tough. It's not going to come off easy. But, well, maybe it's just too tough. Because the fish don't like it. If the fish don't like it, then, well, it's no use, is it? Should always have a tracer on here because, you know, sharks. Lots of big sharks here. Big sharks, there's barra, there's salmon, there's barracuda, there's all manner of fish here. I usually catch striped. Some weird ass piece of crap. But occasionally we get something good. Finding up, eh? It's becoming a bit of a good day.
There you go. Watch your step.
They're sideways, boys. That guy from Avatar, boys. So I got one flat battery. I got the mega battery in my gut. I have the mega battery in my shirt, and I've got the other battery in the camera. The mega battery is 50,000 lumina thing from Kmart for 50 bucks. I thought it was good, so I bought it. I don't know, it's lumina or whatever the measurement is. I just know it's a battery that lasts a long time. It takes a long time to charge too. Oh yeah, go for it, get it. Get it, baby. Yeah, get it. Come on, you. Did you get it? Oh, I don't think so. Yeah, there you go. You got it big time, didn't you? You got it. Oh, you got it, all right. What are you, a little stripey? You're a little fishy, aren't you? A little one. me see what you are. Well, he's not a stripey. He's a nice kind of fish. When you finish spinning and twisting and doing all that, come here. Ooh, he's a nice one. About a few more centimeters on him and be really nice. He'd be a good fish. Bit too young right now. Bit too much of a juvenile. Come on. Fly me free. Very slimy too. Too small to take home and too good to use for bait, so I just chuck him back. I've got to twist that down or it'll blow away. I don't want it blowing away. First fish of the day. Now I'm hoping that the camera recorded that really well. I don't even know if it's facing in the right direction, but